Hello students, before starting exercise 5.2, we must to have discuss about or know about the divisibility test, okay, or test of divisibility. The first of all, we are starting from the digit 2, which is called the divisibility of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay, so very simple. If the ones place of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, the number will be divisible by 2. The next one is divisibility of 3. So if the sum of digits of a number divisible by 3, the number must be divisible by 3. Suppose I have taken a number like 93. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. That's why 93 is also divisible by 3. Okay. And next one is divisibility of 5. If the ones place of any number is either 0 or 5, then the number must be divisible by 5. So suppose I have taken a very long number, very big number. Its ones place is 5 and its ones place is 0. So these two numbers, without doing any type of division or without checking that one, we can finally write that these two numbers are divisible by 5. Okay. The next one is divisibility of 9. If the sum of digits of any number divisible by 9, the number must be divisible by 9. Okay. Suppose I have taken a number 2817, 2817, and I have added this number. What will get? 2 plus 8 plus 1 plus 7, which is 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16 plus 2 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. That's why 2817 is also divisible by 9. Okay. For 10, divisibility of 10. If the ones digit of a number is 0, then the number must be divisible by 10. As 100, 10, 7000 or any number, their ones place is 0, the number will be divisible by 10. Okay. So look here, now we are going to start to solve questions of exercise 5.2. Look here. Check whether the following number are divisible by 2 or not. Okay. The numbers are given 120, 457, 564, 2495. I have taken randomly two questions for you. As question number 1 is 120. Look here, we have to write it is divisible by 2 or not. Okay. So finally we can say that one, it is divisible by 2 or not. So it is divisible by 2. So you can write yes. Okay. In bracket you can write like this. It's a ones place digit is 0. Okay. Therefore it's a divisible by 2. The second one is no or not. The reason is it's a ones place digit is none of 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay. Next one, check whether the following number are divisible by 5 or not. Okay, the number is given like this: 250 and 154. So we have to write yes or not. So it's a ones place is 5. So we can easily say that one yes. So the conclusion, how we get in this conclusion, that it's a ones place digit is 0. To divide any number by 5, the ones place of number must be either 0 or 5. The second one is not. What's the reason? It's a ones place digit neither 0 nor 5. The next one is we have to check the number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so first of all we have to add this number. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So you can write like 6 is divisible by 3. So 123 is also divisible by 3. Okay, similarly you can solve these questions. As I have leave this one because there is no space, so I have taken 6 plus 5 plus 4, which is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So 654 is divisible by 3. Similarly, you can solve for this one. Look here, next question is check the divisibility of 10. So it's a divisible, so you can write yes because it's a ones place is 0. This one is not because it's a ones place is 5, or you can write is not 0. Okay, the next one is question number 5. Check whether the following number are divisible by 9 or not. So in first case we have to add this number. 5 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to 18. So, or you can write similarly 18 is divisible by 9. So 549 is divisible by 9. Okay, it is divisible by 9. Similarly for this question, 9 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 9, 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. So you can write like this: 22 is not divisible by 9. So 994 is not divisible by 9. Okay, we have this much. We have 4 questions to check the number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9 or 10. So we have to write only yes or no. Look, its unit place is, or ones place is 6. So this is divisible by 2. So you can write yes. Look here, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 7, 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. So this is not. This is no. The next one is, its ones place is not 5, neither 5 nor 0. So this is also not divisible by 5. Sum of this number is 14. 14 is not divisible by 9. So this is also no. Its ones place is 6. Its ones place is not 0. So this is not divisible by 10. Similarly, look here, its ones place is 0. So it is divisible by 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 0 is 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. So this is also divisible by 3. Look here, for 5, its ones place is 0. So it's a divisible by 5. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 3. 3 is not divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. Its ones place is 0. So it's a divisible by 10. Okay, look here. 4, 5. Its ones place is 5. It is not 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So this is not divisible by 2. For 3, look here, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, plus 4 15, plus 3 18. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, plus 4 15, plus 3 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Its ones place is 5. So this is divisible by 5. Its sum is 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So this number is also divisible by 9. Its ones place is not 0. So this is not divisible by 10. Its ones place is 8. So this is divisible by 2. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Its ones place is 5. Its ones place is 8. Not 5 or neither 5 nor 0. So this is also not divisible by 5. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9. So this is divisible by 9. Its ones place is not 0. So this is not divisible by 10. Okay. Look here. Question number 7. The number is given. Look here. Number is given like replace star by the smallest digit to make the number. The options are given here. As we discussed, the sum of the number, if the sum of number is divisible by 3, the number must be divisible by 3. If the sum of number is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. So I have taken that one. Question number B for you. Okay. As question number B is 15 star 20. Okay. its ones place is 0, so it is fulfill the criteria to be divisible by 2. So in the place of star, in the star place, 0 can be replaced because 0 is the smallest number. So in that place we can place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to write the smallest number, that's why I have taken 0 here. Okay. Similarly, we can write like this. If the, look here, for check the divisibility of 9. If the sum of digit of a number is divisible by 9, then number must be divisible by 9. Okay, so first of all we have to add that one. 8 plus x plus 0 plus 6. So 8 plus 6, 0 is 0. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So we have to get the smallest number, which is 4. So it becomes 14 plus x. So the smallest number what we have to add in place of x, it becomes divisible by 8, means which is 18. Okay, the smallest number is near it is 18. So we can write like this: 14x, 14 plus x is equal to 18. We have to get the number, sum of that number will be 18. So x is equal to 18 minus 4 is equal to 4. So x can be x can be replaced by 4 to make the number divisible by 9.